Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to add meta tags to your Spotify or Shopify shop. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your store. So it is pretty simple thing. Just go to your browser, search for Shopify, and here we go. Go to it, and from there just log into your account. As you can see here. Now I'm going to choose this one and sign into it. Now, as you can see, this is the dashboard. So after you sign into your account, you have to choose like the name of your store, etc., and so go on. Now, how can we actually add some tags to our product or whatever it is? So let me just translate this to English. So here it is. So click on products. And simply here, let's create a new product. So add your products. Here I'm going to add like a title. So here we go. Let me just make it detect language and translate it. So here it is. So here I'm going to add like something like a title. So t-shirt or like iPhone X. Here I'm going to add a description. So iPhone X, something like that. 6 GB, fast charging. Here I'm going to add, for example, images, stuff like that. You can add it through here, or you can just click add files and search for like images from your own images. So let's search here for images. If I can find any, that will be so good. Here it is. So this is an image for iPhone X, and here down below you can put the price. Here it is, the cost per item, and so go on. So where can I put the tags? That's simply easy. Just go to tags over here, and you can click whatever tag you want. So you can click on tags, you can manage them from here. Indeed, you can add like that, food, something like that. You can remove from here as well. As you can see, you can make something like food, health, 2023, and here ended and it will be added. So I got that's how you can add tags to your Shopify store. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.